Welcome to another Pole House Black Pot Weekend Getaway. And we're in, where we at, Angel?
We're at Cowder State Park. Sorry, we got up at the butt crack of dawn and I wasn't awake yet. So we didn't get any video of the drive up here. But this is a beautiful place and we'll show you some more about it. The camp host just stopped by, didn't she?
Yep, she came by and they've got some really neat activities. They got a whole list of a little booklet she handed us. And it's got all the stuff for the whole year.
And guess what?
This weekend
is Christmas in July.
Yep, Christmas in July. So
we'll show you the decorations and that when we do the camp tour.
Yeah, we kind of all set up. This is a nice camp spot. I'll give you do a tour of it real quick. We're actually in spot number 4. And this is one of, I think, 40 camp sites here at Cowder State Park. And it's these are all paved. I think they're all paved. And let's see, we've got pretty level spot and I like it. We've got right over here a regular, like normal state park. We got a table which is on a nice concrete pad, and we've got the stand, or hook, I should say, hook there, lantern stand or whatever. And what's kind of nice, the host came around and they passing out these bags, but put all your recyclable stuff in. So that's kind of handy. And then, of course, we got a regular fire pit over here. So kind of neat. Where feels like we're more out west, because I kind of look around behind me. You can see, and up, show you real quick. We got the pine trees all around us. Nice row of pines all the way down through here. So we might pick up some of these pine cones that have fallen, because they make some real good fire starters. You've seen us use them before. So yeah, this is a nice place.
You might want to mention if they're hearing something in the background.
Yeah, if you might hear it or not. But let me see here. Let me look over here to the, I think it's off to the, I think it's to the northwest. And I don't know which way it's going. I haven't looked at the map. But we just had some thunder. So there's some kind of some dark clouds over that direction. And back over in there. So I don't know. We'll find out. We're on a pretty good chance of maybe some thunderstorms tonight about supper time. So hopefully those will go on over and not be too bad and too rough on us. So we'll kind of see what that's going to do with us. Hopefully we'll get through that. And I think tomorrow's supposed to be pretty nice and a little cool. And a bug just got me. Sorry. Little nicer tomorrow, not quite as hot. So because today's pretty darn hot. It's about low 90s and the heat index is supposed to be almost 100. So we're gonna kind of relax here a little bit, and then we'll get some else stuff going on, and we'll be back with you.
Well, it wouldn't be camping if we didn't forget one thing, right?
We forgot a whole almost everything we need for one video. Well,
and we have said in the past, we use AnyList and we lean on it a lot.
Yeah, you got one area is you got a little, you look at like a calendar on that, and you plug in and say, okay, Friday we're going to have this for supper. And then you can take that, if you have your recipe in
and they're not a sponsor.
You share, you share that into
Wade and I
shopping list.
Wade and I share those.
And you just click on it and say, okay, you want everything you can put into your shopping list, or certain things.
Well, we neglected to do any of that with the one recipe.
And the only thing we got for the main dish we were going to do tonight, pretty much, were French fries. So
we're putting the French fries in what we're going to have. I forgot my insulin, my fast-acting insulin. So we started out, very first thing, stopping by Walmart so I could get me some insulin. And then I get to thinking, and it's like, oh man, we left Iris's dog food at home.
Yeah, we left her homemade dog food that we made.
So we had to, when we went to Walmart, we had to buy her some dog food. And then we were headed almost here. We were here and already set up when we got to talk about what we forgot
one thing that we needed for the supper. It's like, wait a minute. We forgot almost everything we needed for supper.
We needed chicken nuggets for it and a whole bunch of other stuff.
We're going to do that recipe soon. So.
Yeah, it's called Irish Spice Bag. We're going to get it. But instead, we got to eat anyhow, and I did buy some stuff that we can whip something up that's a World War II recipe that feed the troops, and
It's SOS.
It's SOS. You know what that stands for?
S on a shingle. So.
Yep, S on the shingle. So we're gonna get around. We're gonna get around, and we'll get right back with you.
Honey, can you hand me a lighter? Because our sparkler doesn't work very good on this thing.
There you go.
Thank you.
We changed plans a little bit. Instead of S on an S, it's going to be an S on a French fry.
Yeah, so it's not a
S
shingle.
on a F instead.
Yeah. The second F is the shingle is actually
French fries.
yeah. But originally it was on regular white bread. That was kind of the standard.
Starting off with a little oil, tablespoon or 2 or 3. Now, traditionally, this was done with dried beef, which is an okay flavor, but I like the flavor of these corned beef. Little packages. One is enough for a nice good amount, so we got 2 here.
For 2 people.
And yeah, we planned on having sandwiches with these.
Thank you.
We want that oil to get the flavor of that meat, so we're going to fry this just a little bit. Okay, that's probably been cooking about long enough. Now, the thing about good roux is you got to have the same amount of flour that you do your oil. This is called a roux. Need to season it. And I always season my roux first. I don't know if you remember this pepper or not, but from my egg rolls, I will be very gentle with that. Although we do like pepper in our gravy, but it's easier to add some more. And then it's just 1 can of evaporated milk. If it gets a little thick, you can always add a little bit of water to it if you want to, or if you want to keep the rich creaminess, just add a little bit of milk.
Yeah, that evaporated milk is pretty rich and good stuff.
It almost tastes like cream. Almost. Okay, well that's doing its thing. Turn that down just a smidgen more. I'm getting out my fries. Or Wade's fries.
Nice and extra crispy.
They are extra crispy. Uh-oh. That was boiling away. I think it's about time to eat.
Yep, just about.
This is good for breakfast too.
That's the first time I've ever served it with French fries.
Yes.
I think it's still going to work. Be fine. What do you think?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it's good.
It's good that way.
Starch is a starch.